Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 6. There is no need to memorize anything. You are doing very well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Hungry, thirsty, tired, rest, I feel, need, now. Now, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Hungry, hungry, thirsty, thirsty, tired, tired, rest, rest, I feel, need, now, Good, take your time. Now, we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Feel hungry, I eat, you eat. Feel thirsty, I drink now, you drink. Feel tired, I rest, I need this. Happy now. Good. Now, listen to a short story using the words. Hello. I am at home. I feel hungry. I feel thirsty. I eat and drink. Now I feel good. Later I go to work. I feel tired now. I need rest. I go home to rest. Now I feel happy. Okay, let us hear the English words one more time. Hungry, thirsty, tired, rest, I feel, need, now. Very good. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now and I will see you for Foundation 7. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share and subscribe.